You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Popular veteran actor Taiwo Hassan, also known as Ogo, has announced actress Funke Akindele as his daughter in his message for her as she clocks 43. He has confirmed in his tribute how proud he is of her. He said, this is the first time that Taiwo Hassan, who is regarded as a man of not many words, will post a long message in honor of any film star in the industry, and surprisingly, none of the female stars in the Yoruba film industry liked or replied to his post. Check out more photos from Funke Akindele's birthday.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.